So what I want to show you in this video is how to make a little hyperlink for your signature on the DAZ forum. Presuming that you have a gallery, you've set your own little 3D DAZ 3D gallery up, and there's a video here on my YouTube channel that shows you how to go about doing that. So if you set your DAZ 3D gallery up and you want a link into that gallery on your signature, so every time you do a forum post you get that link, then that's what this is going to show you. So here we are over at the forum, and here's Pam providing us with a link to her gallery. So we'll just follow this link and see what happens, and then you'll see how we can introduce a bit of additional functionality to this by adding a little bit of HTML. So here's our straight link, so that's the path to her root gallery. So there you go, she's not renamed her root gallery yet, so that's handy. And we can go into one of her child galleries, let's say, and this is the landscapes. Very good. And that's fine, but what we want to do is find our own root gallery. And you can do it in several ways, but I'll do it this way. Click on the gallery tab and then go down to the bottom and use the search artist and type in your own name. So I'll type in my name. There you go. So that's the name that I appear under at DAZ, which just so happens to be my name, just to keep life a bit simpler for me. And what you're looking for, because at the moment this path is the search path, we're not interested in providing that. We want the root gallery path. So that's this link here. So David's gallery, that's my root gallery, that's what I've called it. And this is where I want, when you click on the link I'm going to provide, it to take you. So what I'm going to do is test this link here is working correctly. So I just open an empty tab, copy this, Control C, and paste that into the browser there, and see that it does indeed take me to my root gallery. So that's showing these child galleries that I've created. See the other video that I mentioned a moment ago, that one there, if you want to know how to do that. So at this point what I'm going to do is take us to the forums. From the forums, click on your control panel, and from this list on the left, edit the signature. Now this is where things are going to get fiddly, because we're going to have to enter some HTML, but it's not a lot, so it should be quite manageable. Right, this is the end of my last bit of HTML for my links in the signature. So what I'm going to do is use the word and. That will appear as plain text and then start the HTML. So I need this less than symbol, a space href equals and inverted commas, and at this stage you want to paste in the link. So this link here, you want to copy and paste that in after the inverted commas. So you paste that in and then close the inverted commas, press space and type target equals inverted commas, then minus blank. Right, oh, it's a hyphen blank. The thing about this is that will mean that when people click on the link that you're about to name, it will take you to a blank empty tab on your browser, so it won't remove the place where the link started from. So it's just to make things a bit easier for people navigating. So I'll just put inverted commas there, then a greater than symbol, and type in whatever I want this link, the text I want this link to appear in. Now bear in mind, if you're running out of signature space, you need to keep an eye on this number, because that's going to go down how many characters we've got left. So I'll call this a link to my, I've put space in there, my gallery at DAZ 3D. Okay, and then I use less than, oblique stroke, a greater than, and that's the text added in. So hopefully when I update signature it doesn't generate any errors. It says my signature has been updated, and then I go to the forums. So if I go forum home, find where I've posted, so I go to Bryce discussion and go to show us your renders, and then I'll look to see that my signature's been updated. It will update all the signatures on the previous posts I've made, so I just need to find where I've posted something. Okay, here we go. So now this is my signature, and appended to the end of it, that was the and that appears in plain text, and that was the name given to the link. If you look down at the bottom left hand corner here, at least in this which is Google Chrome, you'll see as I hover over this link the line appears, and in the bottom left hand corner you can see where the link will take you. Now at the moment I've got these three tabs open. If I click on this link now, it opens a blank tab, that's the minus blank bit, then it navigates me to my gallery. So now any forum post I make will contain a nice little hyperlink, a named link that will open a new tab and take people to my gallery, and hopefully that'll encourage a few more people to visit it. So there you go. I'll pop this an image and put this into the how-to video guides, and hopefully that will help people out and encourage a bit more traffic to the galleries here. Okay, end of the video. Cheers now.